Hi, I'm Paolo, and in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to connect an email marketing follow-up sequence to an opt-in page. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and click the bell for a notification, alright? Now, this is the Builderall dashboard. This is what I use to run my entire business. So this is the Builderall business plan, alright? Now, on the left side, these are the features of Builderall. For the features, I've made a separate video on it. And also, Builderall has its own affiliate program wherein it's a 2-tier affiliate program, and they also have a car bonus. So if you want to market Builderall, I've made a video on how much you would earn, and you can find the other videos rather, specifically on the features of Builderall plus how the affiliate program works at the very end of this video. I'll just put a link to it. Okay. Now, so on the left, you have Builderall. These are the websites and the sales funnels. So what we'll do on this video is we will connect an email marketing follow-up sequence or a list to that opt-in page. So here's the scenario. Let's say Facebook. Okay, let's go for the traffic source Facebook. On Facebook, those sponsored ads, all right? On those ads, when it will ask people to opt in or to enter their emails, okay? So those emails goes to a specific list. So how do we connect the list on your autoresponder to that opt-in page? Okay, so first, let's choose a sales funnel or an opt-in page. So I just have to click here. In here, alright, there would be sales funnels and pre-made templates. So you can just edit them to your liking. Okay, so there's a lot of funnels here, so which I will just do a separate video on the purposes of each funnel. Okay. Now, let's choose a lead magnet funnel. All right. So this shows you the approximate time you need to edit the funnel, and it also has a tutorial on how it can be, on what's the purpose of it, how to do it. Okay, so these are the samples or the pre-made templates. However, you can also do it from scratch. Okay, but let's go with this one. Okay, so let me just access this. Now, the good thing about Builderall and everything about it is, as long as you can copy, paste, edit, and save, you will be able to use the platform. So there's no technical skills needed. You don't need to learn any programming. All right. So for this one, another good thing about it is it already tells you what to put on your opt-in page. See, your logo, you just put it here. This is for your headline, okay, and the sub-headline. Now, this is for the email marketing form. So let's go to Mailing Boss real quick. So I can show you where we are connecting this. Okay. So by the way, this is what comes up. So again, let's go back to Facebook. Those sponsored ads on Facebook. Okay. When you click on those sponsored ads, they ask you to enter your information. This is what shows up. Okay. This is the purpose of that, the email marketing. Okay. So this is the one that shows up on Facebook when you enter information, and this connects to your email list. So let's go here real quick so I can show you Mailing Boss, which is the autoresponder and one of the features of Builderall. So this is one of the features of Builderall. It's inside the Builderall business plan. Okay. But if you want Mailing Boss itself only, you can also get it. I mean, if you just need an email marketing platform, you can just go with Mailing Boss. It's $50 one-time payment. They're on promo right now. Okay. $50 one-time payment. You can send unlimited emails and you can have unlimited email subscribers on your list. All right. By the way, link to both platforms. All right. If you want to sign up, it will be on the description below. Okay. So this is the Mailing Boss dashboard. So let's go to the lists. Now, this is the list we're going to connect that sales page or that opt-in page. This one. Okay, so when somebody signs in here, so let's say Facebook, somebody sees rather this page on Facebook, and they're interested on it, and they want to know more, they enter their email and their first name here. When they enter their email and first name, that email will go to a list on your autoresponder, which is this. So if you haven't watched the video I made on how to create a list and an email sequence, please do watch it so you would understand this further. Okay, so you'll be able to relate to what I'm talking about. Okay, because on that video I showcased how to create a list and how to create an email sequence. Okay, now on this video what we're doing is we're connecting what we did on that video, that list, and the email sequence to this opt-in page. Now, so just to show you, we are connecting again this opt-in form to this email list. So let me show you how it's done. It's as easy as you right click on it, configure. Okay, I haven't saved it. Let me save it real quick. So this is just as good as saving it with a name. Okay, so you just save this website. There. Now, let me just show you what happens. When you have saved this, okay, it will show up here on my sites. Let me put this on list mode. So now just have to look for, the name was demo. This one, okay? Demo. So that's the site. Now, so let's go back here. So this has been saved. We're going to connect this opt-in form rather to this list we created on Mailing Boss or on the autoresponder. Configure. So again, on the opt-in form, you just right click, configure, then here are the options or the platforms you can connect that email form to when you make a sales funnel or an opt-in form or opt-in page on Builderall. And there are other platforms as well. Okay, so we're connecting it to Mailing Boss. From here, the list, all you have to do is choose. You do not have to create anything anymore. So you choose that list, demo, that's it. Okay, so when I publish this, or when this site or this page goes live and somebody enters their email and first name, it will show up on this list that we created in the autoresponder or in Mailing Boss. Okay, so that's how easy and simple it is to use Builderall and Mailing Boss as an autoresponder, and to connect an email form or an opt-in form to an email list. So again, Facebook, okay, those sponsored ads, they ask for your email. If you're interested, once you enter your email, that page, by the way, that's what we call an opt-in page. That would be this page, all right? So if you're the customer, you will enter your email and your first name, and that email or those information will go to an email list of the company or the vendor, all right? That would be this. And then what do? They send you emails, they send you reviews, testimonials to build trust, and then promotions, offers, discounts until you buy in the long run. So that's email marketing, okay? Alright, so that's about it for this video. If you have any questions or you want to learn more, just comment below. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it for you just to show you how it's done. And also check my bonuses below. I have an email marketing masterclass, which is good for more than an hour. Alright, email marketing masterclass for more than an hour. Also have a high converting sales funnel, and also I have a high open rate headlines which you can use, which you can put here, all right, on your sales funnels or your opt-in pages, and for the subject lines of your emails. Okay, you can use all of those for free, all right, and just use it for your convenience, and I hope it helps you as well on your digital marketing journey. All right, so again, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next video. That's about it for this one. Just like that, this one is over. Let's go.